In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit multicam sequences easily on CapCut. If you're working with two camera angles from the same interview, podcast, or live performance, CapCut makes building a clean multicam setup surprisingly simple. The key is to get your clips into one project and let CapCut do the heavy lifting on the sync. Start by opening CapCut and creating a project that matches your final delivery. Choose the aspect ratio and frame rate that suit your footage so you avoid unnecessary resizing or motion artifacts later. Once your project is open, you'll see the media panel and timeline ready to go. Next, add your video files. Bring in the clips from each camera angle. The more organized your files are, the smoother this will be. Clear file names can help you keep track of which angle is which as you work. It's perfectly fine if your camera angles are different resolutions. CapCut can scale them, but matching resolutions usually yields the cleanest results. With your footage imported, select the two clips that belong together. These should be the angles that captured the same moment. You can highlight them in your media panel or on the timeline. What matters is that both are selected at the same time. If your recording includes on-camera audio or a clear clap at the beginning, CapCut can usually recognize that and use it to line things up. Now, right-click on your selection to open the context menu. This is where CapCut groups tools that act on multiple clips at once, including the multicam feature. From that menu, click Create Multi-Camera Clip. CapCut will analyze the selected videos and automatically build a multicam clip. Behind the scenes, it syncs the footage, typically by audio, so the angles line up. If both clips share clean audio, the sync is usually spot on. If one angle has very noisy audio or none at all, that can make syncing harder. In those cases, consistent start points and matching timecodes provide better results. When the multicam clip is created, you'll see a single consolidated item in your project. That clip contains both angles, neatly synchronized and ready for editing. As you work, you'll be able to preview different angles and craft a dynamic edit without juggling separate tracks. This setup keeps your timeline tidy and makes it easier to switch perspectives while maintaining perfect sync. That's all it takes. Open CapCut, add your videos, select the two matching clips, right-click, and choose Create Multi-Camera Clip. With your multicam ready, you're set up for fast, professional edits that feel seamless and polished.